Wealth is not how much you earn, but how much you save. James Capital. 10 things that are no longer worth your money. Picture this. You open your banking app and see that a few $100s quietly disappeared last month. You honestly try to remember, wait, on what exactly? And then the familiar inner dialogue starts. Well, coffee every day. It's just small change. Subscriptions are useful. That thing was kinda necessary. Then the statement arrives, and you realize half of those small things aren't small at all. They're silent thieves that steal not just money every month, but time, energy, freedom, and your future. Today, I'm going to show you 10 things that in 2025 almost no one should be spending money on anymore. Not because they're bad, but because there are far smarter alternatives that give 5 to 20 times more value for the same or even less money. My name is James. I've spent way too much time analyzing where people's money actually leaks, especially those who seem to earn decently, but still feel broke no matter what. And the biggest trap isn't big purchases. The biggest trap is the monthly little things we've stopped noticing. If you're ready to stop pouring money down the drain and start feeling that every dollar you spend actually works for you, watch till the end. And if this video helps you save even $100 to $300 a month without losing quality of life, hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Let's go. Top 10 things that in 2025 are no longer worth your money. Daily takeaway coffee, Starbucks, Peet's, local specialty shops, etc. Average check, $4 to $8. 5 days a week equals $20 to $40 per week. Per month, $80 to $160. Per year, $960 to $1,920. Now ask yourself honestly, do you actually love that specific coffee so much? Or are you just hooked on the ritual, leave the house arrow, grab a cup, arrow feel productive? Real alternative that gives the same or better pleasure in 90% of cases. A good home coffee maker or French press, $30 to $80 one time. Decent medium roast beans from a real roaster, $8 to $15 per 250 grams, lasts 2 to 3 weeks. 5 minutes in the morning, and the coffee tastes better than in 70% of cafes' savings. $800 to $1,800 per year. Plus your mornings become calmer. No lines, no rush. Subscriptions you barely use, or use 1 to 2 times a month. Netflix plus Disney plus Hulu, plus HBO, Max, plus Prime Video, plus YouTube Premium, plus Spotify, plus Apple Music, plus Audible, plus Masterclass, plus Skillshare, plus Calm/Headspace, plus 3 to 4 more small ones. Average person now pays $40 to $80 per month just on subscriptions. Reality. Most people actively use only 2 to 3 services. The rest just sit there because, what if I need it someday? What to do? Every 3 months, do a subscription cleanup. Keep only what you use at least 8 to 10 times a month. Cancel the rest without guilt. Savings. $20 to $50 per month to $240 to $600 per year. And you lose nothing important. Cheap earbuds and chargers. $5 to $20 from Amazon/AliExpress. Lifespan. 2 to 6 months. In a year, a person buys 3 to 5 pairs of earbuds and 4 to 6 chargers equals $60 to $150. Alternative. 1 decent wired pair for $30 to $60. KZ, Moondrop, Final Audio, or TWS for $80 to $150. Sound Peets, Soundcore, Nothing Ear. 1 good 30 to 65 watt charger for $30 to $50. Baseus, Anchor, Ugreen, they last 3 to 5 years. Savings, $40 to $120 per year, plus nerves, time, and sound quality. Branded sneakers and clothes just for status. Sneakers, $150 to $300. Hoodies, $80 to $150. Jeans, $100 to $200. Bought to look good. Not because the fabric, fit, or durability is actually better. 2026 reality. Dozens of brands, Uniqlo, Everlane, COS, Arcot, Quince, Gap, H&M Premium, Zara, Aritzia, Lululemon on sale. Give 80 to 90% of premium quality for $30 to $80, and for $100 to $150, you can already get pieces that look and last better than many luxury items. Savings: $300 to $1,000 per year on wardrobe without losing appearance. New iPhone every year, or every 2 years. Average price: $900 to $1,500. Real difference between iPhone 14 and iPhone 16 is minimal for 95% of people. Alternative: change phone every 4 to 5 years. Buy a model 1 to 2 generations older. iPhone 14/15 Pro now $600 to $800 instead of $1,300. Or switch to a 2-year-old Android flagship for $400 to $600. Galaxy S23 Ultra, Pixel 8 Pro, etc. Savings: $800 to $1,200 every 2 years. Paid antivirus and PC optimizers: Norton, McAfee, Bitdefender, CC Cleaner Pro, Advanced System Care, $30 to $80 per year. 2026 a reality. Windows Defender plus Common Sense, don't download shady files, don't click weird links, gives 95 to 98% of the protection of paid antivirus. Most optimizers and speed boosters are just marketing. Savings: $30 to $80 per year, plus nerves from constant pop-ups. Food delivery 3 to 5 times a week. Average check $15 to $30, 4 times a week equals $60 to $120 per week, leading to $240 to $480 per month, leading to $2,880 to $5,760 per year. Alternative: cook at home 4 to 5 days a week, even simple meals. Order delivery once a week as a reward. Savings: $2,000 to $4,000 per year, plus better health, less oil, sugar, salt. Coffee machine for $300 to $600 that you use 2 times a week. Most people buy an expensive machine to have cafe-level coffee, then use capsules or don't use it at all. Alternative: if you drink 1 to 2 coffees a day, better get a capsule machine for $80 to $150 or French press plus mocha pot plus good beans. Savings: $200 to $500 on the machine itself, plus $100 to $200 per year on capsules. Gym membership for $300 to $600 per year that you use 1 to 2 times a month. People pay for motivation, but end up going less than if they bought a mat and dumbbells for $50. Alternative: home workouts, YouTube, Nike Training Club, free or $20 to $50 per year, plus outdoor exercise, plus mat, plus pair of dumbbells. Savings: $250 to $550 per year, plus commute time. Branded skincare and cosmetics, because ads said so. Cream $50 to $150. Serum $70. Mask $30. Many of them contain the same actives as $5 to $15 products from Korean or pharmacy brands. Alternative: learn to read ingredients. The Ordinary, CeraVe, La Roche-Posay, COSRX, Isntree, and buy only what actually works on your skin. Savings: $200 to $800 per year with no drop in skincare quality. Bottom line, these 10 things together steal $2,000 to $6,000 per year from the average person. And quality of life either stays the same or even drops. Irritation, wasted time, guilt. Switch to conscious alternatives, and in a year you'll have more money for investments and freedom, less stress, and I'm always broke, feeling more energy and self-respect. Start with one thing. Pick one item from this list and change your approach this month. One small step. If this breakdown hit close to home, drop a comment. I was definitely wasting money on number, and now I get it. Starting to change number today. Thanks, this was exactly about me. And if you want more honest lists and breakdowns of where money really leaks, subscribe and turn on notifications. See you in the next one.